I'm not sure, but I think Raquel Welch may have another bestseller on their hands. Let's have a look at it. I took it out of the box and I thought, yep, this is a bestseller. This is Raquel Welch Posh Premier, and the color is Shaded Iced Cappuccino. I purchased this wig from Wig Studio One. If you look in the drop-down box below this video, you'll see a link to this wig. Don't forget to use my code over at Wig Studio One, Crazy30, and save on your favorite brands of wigs and toppers. Y'all, look at this adorable new style from Raquel Welch. Beautiful. It is gorgeous. This is just right up my alley. I want y'all to have a good look at this. It has these front pieces that are a little longer. We've seen that coming a lot this last couple of years. I think it's adorable. I love everything about it. Everything about it. Now, this is made with the new Feather Light fibers. Now, I've talked about them before. I am so impressed with this cap and these Feather Light fibers. They are truly Feather Light. They named them correctly. They look and feel like human hair. They're lighter than human hair. I don't feel like I even have a wig on my head. It is so light. This is absolutely, in my opinion, the best Raquel Welch has done. It also has the updated Luxe Light cap. Now, that has an extended mono top. I'm going to show it to you in a minute. But the cap on this is a little larger than what we have seen previously with Raquel Welch hand-tied caps. All right, let's just take a second and talk about the fit. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. This does fit me a little large. I use the adjusters to bring it in a little. You know, I'm really glad that these new caps fit a little larger because I just feel like that, you know, includes more people. So if you have a little larger head circumference, you should be able to wear this cap, in my opinion. Now, this is a partial hand-tied cap. There is some wefting in the back. There is no permatease in this wig. However, there's a lot of fiber on this wig, true to Raquel Welch style, right? So there's a lot of fiber. I'd say this is a low to medium density wig. It is not a low density wig. There's just a lot of fiber here, but there is no permatease. Okay guys, let's take a second and look at the inside of the cap. This is just beautiful with an extended lace front. Look at that large mono top. Partially hand-tied, does have some wefting in the back just to hold the structure of the wig. It has removable silicone ear tabs and nape. Now you can take those silicone ear tabs, take that silicone off. It's just stitched there, as you see, and that will have the felt ear tabs underneath if you like to. I like the silicone. It adds just a little bit more to me, kind of holds it a little better. However, some people might have a sensitivity to silicone, so they want to take it off. I think it is great that they offer that. All right, so the specs for Posh. The bang is 6½ inches here. The crown is 5. The sides are 3¼ The back is 4, and it has a 2-inch nape. And y'all, this just weighs 2.3 ounces. It is so lightweight. I just can't say anything about this that I have anything negative to say. I think this is a beautiful wig. I love everything about it. I am a huge fan of these new fibers and these new caps. Now let's take just a second and talk about Shaded Iced Cappuccino RL10 22SS. I'm going to insert it up here. Now, you know, we've seen it many times. Light brown shaded with medium blonde on a medium brown root. And I think that is really a true description of this wig. I love it. I love this color. I want to show you, make sure you see how beautiful this lace front is, and notice the highlighting around the face. Now, you know, in the past we've seen some really bold highlights for Raquel Welch. I feel like on these new styles, just in my opinion, that it is not as heavily highlighted around the face as what we might have seen in the past. There's a little bit heavy right here and right here, which as a matter of fact, when I put this on and I tucked this behind my ear and I saw that highlighting, I thought, yes, indeed. I think that is gorgeous. I love it. So I think they did a beautiful job with their highlighting, and of course their lace front. Beautiful coverage on this. It is gorgeous. It is absolutely a beautiful wig. So again, this is a hand-tied cap. You want to change it up, you can. You want to change the part to the other side, you can. Y'all, add some heat. Some soft curls in this would be pretty because it has enough fiber and enough length, I think, on the top. If you wanted to add some, it's heat friendly. Of course, these are their heat friendly fibers. So you could definitely add a little light curl if you wanted to with this. There's just no wrong way. There's just no wrong way to wear this. I am crazy about it. I love the longer pieces in the front here. I think it's trendy, but not too trendy. Yeah, home run, love it. Thanks for joining me today. Let me know what you think about this style. Have you tried it? Drop me some comments below. I will see you next time.